welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show how to restore headlight in your home in a simple method. As you can see, I have restored my driver's side headlight. You can see the reflectors are shining. It's look clearly in the outside. As you can see, the passenger side, you can see full of yellowish and you cannot see the reflectors. You can fix this under 200 rupees. All you require is a soapy water and a clear coat. You can fix this in easily at your home in a simple method. Let's start the video and see how we'll fix this. Clean your headlight from a dry cloth. After that, spray the soapy water and clean it from your cloth. There should not be any water in your headlight while we spraying the clear coat. So clean it properly. There should not be any water. Repeat this process for 5 to 6 times at least to get a good result. You can use a sandpaper also. I am using a cloth. Headlight is dried now. There should not be any water while spraying the clear coat. So clean it properly. Now we are spraying the clear coat. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes to dry up. This is my first coat. After 5 or 6 minutes, spray it again, the second coat. You can see the difference. You can see the reflectors now. So spray it once again, the second coat. Spray it slowly so that all your headlight is covered. You can see the difference before and after. It looks nice and shiny now. All you require is a soapy water and a clear coat. You can do it in your home in a simple method. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel.